on the video catches how loud it is. What? Oh yeah, driving with one hand's fucking sus, bro. Woo-hoo. Yo, G, what the? Yo, it's been a minute, bro. It's back to another POV drive today. It's a nice day outside. There's a couple things I've changed since last time I recorded a video. I got the front splitter on, tint 5% all around, in the back too. Painted the diffusers. I'm gonna get a resonator delete soon, but I don't know what else I'm gonna do to it. But cut the police radar too. Yeah, it's been a minute since I've done the POV drive. I've only done one when I first got the Camaro, but I've done a couple when I got the G35, which is crazy though, because on the G35, those vids are popping off like crazy. Like one of my best G35 vids, it's like at 7.5 thousand views, which is still crazy to me, but I don't even have the G35 anymore. I've been sold that car. But when I first dropped them, they didn't have that many views that it has. They had like 200 when I first started my channel, but now that I don't have the car no more, they're like at 7,000, 3,000, 4,000 views, and like they're constantly asking questions about the G35, even though I don't have it anymore. But it's whatever though, I guess. I just got out of school right now, but I'm gonna go right home right now. I'm gonna take the freeway, see if I can find any cars, any Mustangs, anything just with wheels to race at this point. Look, it's a good ass view right here. What the fuck is this nigga doing? Alright, this is the OG spot. I had the G35, the first POV drive. Had to get out the car and park it and put the camera down just to catch me video. And right here is when we make some alarms happen right here. I don't know if the video catches how loud it is. Shoot. Yo. Shit. Like, so loud when I would brake, they would like, I'm not explaining it, but they're just so loud. It was hella embarrassing. I'd go down from my house or something and they're just super loud and everybody would just look at me. So I had to get those replaced. And yeah, I got that done recently. I did the 5% tint in the back, which was long overdue, because I just had 5% on the sides but not the back. What else have I done to it? That's about it. I'm debating on blacking out, like wrapping the hood black. I really want to, but I'm low-key gonna wait just until I get bored, because there's like a period of time where I just don't do anything to my car and I get so bored, and I don't know what to do to it, and I might just save that for later. Like I said, I'm gonna get resonator delete soon, maybe in a week or so, just to get the roll rolls. It's loud, but it's not. I want it louder. I'm gonna do that soon. I'm gonna cop some side skirts too. That's like the last part I need for like the exterior, because I have the diffuser. I added some spikes to the diffuser. I need the side skirts, and I did the front splitter. Oh my god, the front splitter was a bitch to put on, because I ordered it on eBay, but it wasn't like a flush fitment to the Camaro like it said it was. It said it was like supposed to fit it, but it didn't. Oh, let me show it real quick. Fuck. Yeah, so it said it was supposed to fit like nice and clean on the Camaro. It had like this clean ass picture that it was supposed to fit, but it didn't. I had to, you know, force it in, and it would like honestly just build up a lot of pressure because it was kind of low key bent. And so when I put it on, I went to go same hour. I can't make it down from my house because my house is literally like it's like a hill, so I can't. Ooh, we got the police radar. All right, let's chill out real quick. It might just be the train station, okay. So like when I can't leave my house forward. When I did, I scratched it already, and I was like, fuck, it was so loud. So I did that, and I have to reverse my house now, which is cool, but it's whatever. So right after that happened, I went out to go eat, and I cracked it. It just tapped I tapped the curb. I tapped the curb and it just cracked. So I could probably show you, but hold up. Yeah, I cracked it. So hold up. There's always a cop here. Have to be careful. Oh, no cop today. Yeah, but I'm like running out of ideas to do shit, so I don't need to comment what. And there's no cars to race in here. Like in Vista, California, this bitch is so ghetto. There's no cars. Everything's clapped out. We got like Corollas and shit. Like, nah, they just be. There's like Beamers now and then. There's like a Beamer pulling up on me right now, but I don't think he's about it. But yeah, man, there's nothing to do. Get in, bro. Get the fuck in. What? Let me in. Oh yeah, driving with one hand's fucking sus, bro. Woo-hoo. Yo, G, what the fuck? Nah, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing? I'm telling you, bro, this bitch is crazy. Nah. They be pulling this shit when I'm driving with one hand too. Always a cop under these bridges, bro. You gotta always be careful with these bridges. No turn signal. Bro might be a Beamer, bro. Like, I'm telling you, bro. Yeah, should I get off here? Hey, fuck it. I'm going up here. There's always a cop over there too. I'm telling you, these bridges are not. You don't play around with these, bro. Cause they wait like on the ramp. So like you're fucked if you're not gonna be able to see them, but they can hear you, and when it gets raps when they see you. Woo! And they redid this road. Look how nice this road is now. What the fuck? This lane is cooked on the right. You never go in the right lane here. If you live here, you know why. All these dudes go right. But yeah, there's nothing to race here. There's just crazy ass drivers like me and and Hondas and just NPC cars in general, man. The car meets haven't been in either too. There's no like, there was an SD one that I just couldn't make it to. I would have made a video on it, but it looked pretty good, but I just couldn't make it to that. What the fuck? Yeah, I couldn't make it, so I couldn't. But other than that, like, there's like some Esco and San Marcos ones. They're just not it. They just don't hit the same. So I haven't done that. I'm like, I want to like drop more videos, but I just can't get any ideas of what to upload. But like you can, I saw this fool already. What the fuck? But yeah, man, I have no idea. I've done like 370, but I don't know what to upload. I've done a lot of like mods to my car, and there's still a couple left. But like once I'm out of like done with it, and I can't sell it right now because I need to do a couple more things to it and rack up more money. Well, like I said, I am gonna plan on flipping this car anyways. But until then, I need to just do stuff to this car. But like I'm trying to do either like vlogs, or I honestly might just go out and just find people to race, to be honest with you. But there's not much here, like FRS over there, but FRS are super slow. Come at me. We're almost home already anyways. But yeah, man, just let me know what y'all want in the comments, and I'll do like the first thing, bro, whatever y'all want me to do, just because I'm out of ideas soon. My cousin just fixed his G35 recently too. I don't know if any of you guys seen it. It's a blue one. I might have posted it. I don't think I have though, but I might just go cruise it with him a couple times and get a couple of rollers with him in the future. So stay tuned for that. Fucking take forever, bro. Yeah, man. Alright, this is just a quick video. Just wanted to upload a little bit of a, just a little quick video of POV drive. I haven't done one in my Camaro yet. I only did one when I first bought it, like I said. So with no muffler delete, so I got it now. I'm gonna spin this bitch one day. Not today, but one day. But yeah, alright.